AI stocks made some investors insanely rich. NVIDIA exploded. Big tech poured millions into artificial intelligence. But now the real question is it still worth buying AI stocks or are we already too late? The AI boom is still very real. Companies are spending hundreds of billions of dollars building AI infrastructure, data centers, AI chips, cloud computing, energy systems. This isn't just hype anymore. AI is becoming part of real business operations worldwide. And that's why many investors still believe the biggest AI opportunity may still be ahead. Right now, the strongest AI trend is infrastructure. Companies building the pick and shovels of AI are still dominating. NVIDIA remains the biggest player because of its AI GPUs and software ecosystem. But investors are also watching companies like AMD, Broadcom, and TSMC. These companies power the entire AI industry behind the scenes. Then you have big tech, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Meta. These companies already have billions of users and massive cloud businesses. They are integrating AI directly into products people already use every day. That makes them safer long-term AI investments compared to smaller speculative companies. But AI investing is no longer easy money. Many AI stocks are already extremely expensive. Investors are now asking, can these companies actually generate enough profits to justify their massive valuations? Another risk is competition. More companies are building their own AI chips. Open source AI models are growing fast. And if growth slows down, some AI stocks could experience brutal corrections. One of the most interesting trends right now isn't AI software, it's the infrastructure supporting AI. AI data centers require enormous amounts of electricity and cooling. That's why some investors are focusing on energy companies, utilities, networking infrastructure, and cooling technology. This could become the second wave of the AI boom. So, is it still worth buying AI stocks? Probably yes, but the market has changed. The easy hype phase is over. Now investors need to focus on real profits, strong business models, and companies that can actually monetize AI. AI may still become one of the biggest investment trends of this decade, but from now on, stock selection matters more than ever. If you want more content about AI investing, trading platforms, and future tech trends, subscribe and check out the next video. Thank you for watching.